नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का एसजीटी क्लासेस में स्वागत है। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 सर्कल। ओके, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 सर्कल लेसन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Two circles having radii 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally. Find the distance between their center. Okay, both of the circles touching internally. Okay, so we have to find the distance between their center. Okay, we have drawn the diagram. Let two circles, okay, two circles having center A and B touch each other, okay, as given above statement, each other at point C, okay. Therefore AC is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Therefore BC is equal to, okay, what? BC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, radii of respective circle, radii. Okay, these are the radii. Okay, therefore what is AC? Therefore AC is equal to AB plus BC. Okay, this is theorem of touching circles. Okay, theorem of touching circles. Okay, this is theorem of touching circles. You have to use the theorem of touching circles. Okay, therefore AC, I have given it is 4.8. Therefore AB I need to find, and therefore BC 3.5. okay, therefore AB is equal to 4.8 minus 3.5. therefore AB is equal to, okay, what is 8 minus 5? It is 3, and 3 minus 4, it is 1. Okay, so this is the distance between their centers. Okay, find the distance between their center. Okay, therefore the distance between their centers is 1.3 centimeter. 1.3 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to solve this problem. Okay, this is very easy. Actually, there is nothing tough in this category of problems. These problems are based on the property of the, or the theorem of the two touching circles. Okay, so this is the first question, we have solved it. Okay, and now we are going to solve the second question. Okay, so we'll solve the second question. It is very easy. Two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally. Find the distance between their centers. Same question is there. Let, okay, solution will write, let two circles, okay, with center A and B, okay, with center A and B respectively, okay, respectively touch each other at point C, okay, as shown in figure. Also we can write, okay, therefore AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Therefore BC is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, these are the radii. Okay, these are the radii. Therefore I know that AB is equal to AC plus BC. Okay, so you can write theorem of touching circle, touching circles. Okay, this is reason, and you can write, and okay, ACB. Okay, this is also given actually. Okay, therefore I will write AB is equal to what is first? AC is 5.5 centimeter and BC is 4.2 centimeter. Okay, So just add this. Therefore AB is equal to, will get 5 plus 2, it is 7, and 5 plus 4, it is 9. Okay, 9.7 centimeter. Okay, therefore distance between their center, therefore the distance between their centers is 9.7 is 9.7 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this. This is very easy. Okay, these are the basic problem. Okay, they are basic problems, and you can easily solve this type of problem. So this categories problem. Okay, because there is nothing special. You have to just mention what you're given and just use the formula for touching circles. Okay, theorem of touching circles, put the values, just do the calculation, you will get your solution. And this is the problem number 2, we have solved it. Okay, and now we're going to solve problem number 3. Okay, so next question is there. If radii of two circles are 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 2.8 centimeter, draw a figure of these circles touching each other externally and internally. Okay, so just use your compass. This is the bigger size circle. It has the 4 centimeters radius, and it is a smaller size center which has the 2.8 centimeter radius. This is C is the point of touch. Okay, where they both touch, and these are the internally touching circles, and these are the externally touching circles. So just you have to draw the diagrams, and you have to use your compass for this purpose. Okay, nothing more than that. Just take the scale and measure the distance 4 centimeter and then 2 centimeter, then draw the circles externally touching and internally touching. Okay, so these are the expected diagrams for this question number 3, and you can draw such diagrams very easily. I know that, that's why I'm not going to show you in detail how to draw this, because it is very easy. Okay, and this is the question number 3, and now we're going to solve question number 4. Okay, so we'll solve the fourth question, and diagram is given here. Two circles, okay, with center P and Q touch each other at point R. Okay, this a line passing through R meets the circles at A and B. This is line passing meets circle A. Let's prove that. Okay, seg AP parallel seg BQ. We have to prove this. Okay, let's start. Okay, we'll start to solve this problem. Okay, so first see here that, okay, what is in triangle APR? Okay, take in triangle APR. Okay, seg AP congruent seg, this AP congruent seg RP. Okay, RP. What is the reason? Radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Okay, this is first. Therefore angle, which angle? PAR congruent angle PRA. Okay, this is angles opposite to congruent sides, angles opposite to congruent sides. Okay, you write this, or you write the reason isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, isosceles triangle theorem, you write both, anyone you write just. Okay, in triangle, now in triangle again this. Okay, BQR, triangle BQR. Okay, seg RQ congruent seg RQ congruent seg. Okay, BQ. Okay, reason is same, radii of same circle, Okay, so you write this. Therefore angle, which angle? QRB, angle QRB congruent angle, you can write QBR. Okay, you write isosceles triangle theorem. Here also you can write isosceles triangle theorem. You want to write, then you write isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, isosceles triangle theorem. Otherwise this one you write, or you write angles opposite to congruent side. Okay, this is first and this is second. Give the numbers. Okay, and you can make the bracket. Okay, this. Okay, Now see that angle PRQ. Okay, angle PRQ, PRA, sorry, congruent angle. This PRA and QRB. Okay, QRB. Okay, this what is the reason? This is third. Okay, this is vertically opposite angles. Okay, this is third one. Vertically opposite angles. You write vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, you write reason vertically opposite angles. Now see that this q par. Okay, okay, this PRA. Okay, here is this, and this is QRB. Here is this. Okay, therefore I can write that. Therefore I can write that from 1 2 3. What I can write? This angle PRA, P no PAR congruent angle. Okay, PAR and QBR. Okay, where is this QBR? QBR. Okay, from 1 2 and 3. Okay, from 1 2 and 3. First you write these pairs, first, second, third. Okay, so this PAR here, PAR, and this QBR. Okay, these are the congruent angles. Okay, therefore which we have to prove? Seg AP parallel seg this BQ. See this angle congruent to this, alternate angle test. Okay, alternate angle test up to parallel lines, Okay, so this is our first proof. We got it. Okay, alternate angle test. Okay, now come to second. APR similar. Okay, triangle RQ. It is true already. Okay, now see how already it is given here. Okay, in triangle. Now you can take that. In triangle APR and triangle RQB. Okay, this is first. Third angle PRA. Okay, angle PRA. See this PRA congruent angle QRB. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And suppose this is fourth. Okay, angle PAR congruent angle QBR from 4. Okay, from 4. Okay, you give number 4. Therefore triangle APR similar triangle RQB. Okay, A test. Okay, you have to write A test. Okay, only above content you have to just take here. Okay, so this is second. Okay, this is first, this is second. Okay, now see that whenever you getting all these things, okay, you write perfectly. Okay, angle PAR 35. Where is this PAR? Okay, given, and I have to find RQB. This angle I have to find. Okay, now see that third angle PAR is equal to 35. Therefore what is the angle opposite to PR? QBR. Okay, angle QBR is equal to 35. Okay, I got QBR. Okay, PR is 30. Therefore angle QBR is equal to angle, which angle? QBR. QRB is equal to 35. Okay, in triangle. Now in triangle QBR. Okay, take any name QBR. Okay, angle QBR plus angle QRB plus angle, which angle? RQB. Okay, which we have to find? RQB. Okay, RQB is equal to 180 sum of measure of angles. Okay, of a triangle. Okay, this is one thing. So therefore 35 first, then 35 second, plus angle RQB is equal to 180. Therefore, angle RQB is equal to 180 minus 70. 35, 35, 70. Therefore, angle RQB is equal to 110. Okay. So this is the final solution. Okay, in this way you have to solve this. Okay, this is the problem number 4. Okay, basic problem है, this is basic, एक basic problem. Okay, इसको खाली आपको स्टेप वाइज सॉल्व करना है, कोई भी गलती नहीं करनी है, आपको देखना है क्या दिया है, क्या करना चाहिए और उसको प्रोसीड करो, आपको आपका सोल्यूशन मिल जाएगा, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. ओके, ये था प्रॉब्लम नंबर 4 जिसको हमने सॉल्व किया है. और एक चीज़ याद रखो कि आपको जब भी सॉल्व करते टाइम यू जस्ट ट्राई टू write with the maximum accuracy, because accuracy is most IMP thing in a solution. Okay, whenever you write with maximum accuracy, you'll get maximum marks in your examination. Okay, so this is problem number 4, we have solved it, and now we are going to solve problem number 5. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 5. This is last problem actually, and we have to solve this. Okay, and this is CD. Okay, now see that the circles with center C and B, okay, touch each other at point E. Okay, this point line L is a common tangent to both the circles at C and D respectively. Find the length of sec CD if the radii of the circles are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, two circles are there, their radii is given. Okay, so first whatever we want to write, we will write here. First solution, in the solution we will write that draw first, draw. Okay, I have to draw seg AC, draw seg, okay, draw seg AC, seg BD, and then AF perpendicular BD. Okay, I have to do this thing. Okay, construction. Okay, now therefore AC is equal to this, AE is equal to 4 centimeter, and therefore BE is equal to BD is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, these are the radii. Okay, radii of circles. Okay, of circles. Okay, radii of circles. Okay, now one thing, a perpendicular. Okay, a perpendicular BD. Okay, that's why. Okay, AFDC. Okay, AFDC is what? AFDC, it is a rectangle. Okay, this is perpendicular and this is also perpendicular, and this is also, because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, therefore I can write that first. Okay, seg AC perpendicular line L, seg BD perpendicular line L. Okay, here I will write radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, to the tangent. Okay, this is the reason. Or you write tangent theorem, no problem, tangent theorem, it's enough. Okay, but now therefore quadrilateral, AFDC. Okay, we will write this, but before this we will find the BF. Okay, BF. Okay, therefore BD is equal to BF plus, no, first we need to write the quadrilateral. Okay, then we will find this. Okay, therefore quadrilateral AFDC is a rectangle, okay, is a rectangle. Therefore I will write that AC, therefore AC is equal to FD, and therefore CD is equal to F. CD is equal to F. Opposite sides are congruent. Okay, therefore FD is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, therefore what do we want? This BD is equal to BF plus FD. Okay, FD. So this is 6 BF we have to find, and this is 4. Okay, therefore BF is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, now you got BF. Okay, BF is equal to 2 centimeter. You see, all these things are given, just you have to use that given content and you have to write the solution. Okay, and now you got this BF, we want this, actually this AB. Okay, therefore AB is equal to, I know that, AE plus B. Okay, the reason you can write AEB. Okay, these are the linear points. Therefore AB is equal to 4 plus 6. Therefore AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, this is also we got it. Okay, now in triangle. Okay, in triangle ABF, in triangle ABF, angle F is 90 degree. Angle F is 90 degree. Okay, you can see this angle F is 90. Therefore AB square is equal to AF square plus BF square. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now see that AB I know that 10 square. AF I know that, what is AF I have to find, and BF I know that 2 square. Okay, this is 100 and this is AF square plus this is 4. Okay, therefore AF square is equal to 100 minus 4. Therefore AF square is equal to 96. AF is equal to in root 96. Okay, now I have to fraction. I have to make the fractions of this number. 4 see, 4 to the 8. Okay, and 4 4s are, okay, 4 to the, now if I write this, AF is equal to, if I divide by 4 to the, okay, and 4 4s are, I will get this. Then again if I do, AF is equal to 6 4s are 24 into 4. Okay, like this. So now in this category, okay, 4 4 will come out of the bracket as the square root of, therefore AF is equal to 4 in square root 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the AF. Now you know that AF is equal to CD. Okay, but CD is equal to AF. Therefore CD is equal to 4 in square root 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is the solution. So in this way you have to solve this. One thing you take care about this solution, is it correct or not, please check it. Okay, 96. Okay, 96. Okay, 96. If I divide by 2 I will get 48, and if I divide again by 2 I will get 24, then 12, and then 6. Okay, no problem, please check this. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this. ये आपको इस तरह से सॉल्व करना है, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. आपको जो कंटेंट दिया है उसको खाली यूज़ करना है, कहाँ पे किस तरह से यूज़ करना है ये सीख लो और आप इसको आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ओके, तो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. स्टार मार्क के HOTS बोलते हैं हम लोग उसको, हाई ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स का, लेकिन इसमें कोई भी चीज़ ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है, तो इसको आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ओके, so this is the last question from the practice set 3.2, and okay, yeah, this practice set is completed. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button so you'll get the notification of upcoming videos on time. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about practice set 3.3.